So what is up YouTube? I'm here with a new video at my channel, guys. Here is a chocolates, lots of chocolates, colorful chocolates. Here is a Barbie doll, wow. Fairy doll, three-piece Barbie doll, wow, big size. And also action figures, Spiderman, Captain America and little Barbie doll. So guys, at first I'm going to unbox these, wow, and I'm going to show you. Let's unbox, guys. Wow, very beautiful Barbie doll. Wow. First one is this. Wow, guys, very beautiful sky blue color, and the wings are pink color. Very cute, guys. Barbie doll, Barbie doll. I'm a little Barbie doll. Wow, guys, very beautiful. Here is a crown. Wow, very beautiful, guys. I'm going to collect this. Wow. So guys, let's put it in a jar and see the next one, guys. Next, I have a purple color Barbie doll. Wow, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Wow, the dress is very beautiful. The designs are very beautiful, guys. You can see the designs. This is purple color. Wow, and the wings are pink color. Barbie doll, Barbie doll. I'm a little purple Barbie doll. Wow, guys, very beautiful, guys. Let's collect these. Wow. Next, guys, I have pink color Barbie doll. Wow, very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. Wow, guys, the crown is sky blue color and the Barbie doll is pink color. Wow, Barbie doll, very cute Barbie doll. Wow, guys, let's collect this. So guys, now I'm going to show you action figures. Wow, guys, Spiderman, Marvel black and golden color Spiderman, very beautiful, guys. Wow, I'm loving it, guys, I'm loving it. So guys, let's put it here and see the next one. Wow, guys, a red color and blue color classic Spider-Man. Wow, classic Spider-Man, very beautiful, guys. Now I'm going to collect this. Wow, lots of toys, guys. So guys, next I have this, a cute little Barbie doll. Wow, this is the off-white color and this is a cayenne color, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. So very beautiful, guys, cute little Barbie doll. Now I'm going to collect these and see the next action figure, guys. The next action figure is this Captain America. Wow, this is a very good quality Captain America action figure. Wow, realistic action figure, very beautiful, guys. You can see very beautiful this is. Very strong Captain America. So guys, let's collect these and see the next one. Guys, next I have another cute little Barbie doll. Wow, this is pink color, very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. Wow, I'm a little Barbie doll, I'm a little Barbie doll. Wow, guys, now I'm going to collect these. Next, guys, I have this. Wow, another Captain America. So guys, let's collect these and you can count how many action figure I've collected, guys. Let's count. Next, guys, I have these two little Barbie doll. One is yellow color, one is light blue color. Wow, very beautiful, guys. Barbie doll. Let's collect these. Last, guys, I have this Spiderman. Wow, classic Spiderman, guys. Very beautiful, very strong. Classic Spiderman. Wow, let's collect this. Have you counted how many action figures I have collected? So guys, last I have these. Wow, lots of chocolates, colorful chocolates. Wow. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20, oh sorry, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Wow, lots of chocolates I have collected, guys. You can see